Hello everyone, my name is Jane Lee and welcome to Come Cook with Jane, a show that simplifies Asian-inspired dishes with readily available ingredients. I want to help you demystify Asian cooking so that you can come up with new and delectable dishes for you and your family. Today, I want to help you make one of my favorite treats, matcha green tea Madeleines. It marries the classic taste of Madeleines, which is buttery, cakey, and super comforting, with the elevated taste of matcha green tea. When you pair those two flavors together, it really tastes so heavenly and pairs super well with coffee, tea, or anything you like to drink. In fact, my children also love to have it with their afternoon milk. I hope you guys really enjoy this recipe because it's quite easy to follow and you can make it rather quickly. Shall we get started? The following is the ingredient list for today's recipe. First, take 1 cup or 120 grams of all-purpose flour and sift it over a medium bowl. It's important that you take this step so that you don't find pockets of raw flour in your batter. Next, sift 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now sift 1 tablespoon of matcha green tea powder into the mix. Throw in a pinch of salt. Now it's time to whisk together all of the dry ingredients. For the wet ingredients, include 2 large eggs into a stand mixer or bowl. Add 2/3 cup or 133 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon of milk, and mix with a paddle for 2 to 3 minutes in a stand mixer or whisk by hand. Once completed, remove the bowl from the stand mixer. Next, add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and incorporate it into the batter. Now take all of the dry ingredients and pour it into the wet mixture. Make sure you carefully incorporate all of the dry ingredients into the batter. Now take 1 stick or 4 ounces or 113 grams of unsalted butter that has been pre-melted and cooled and incorporate into the batter in 3 batches. With the mixing process now completed, transfer the batter into a clean bowl and wrap it with cling wrap. Rest it in the refrigerator for about an hour, which will help the madeleines rise better during the baking process. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and 190 degrees Celsius. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter and brush it over 2 full-size Madeleine pans. Now take 1 tablespoon of batter and fill each shell accordingly. You don't need to smooth out the batter because it will automatically even out during the baking process. After filling both pans, bake in the oven for about 11 to 13 minutes depending on the heat of your oven. Once they are done, remove them from the oven and cool them for 3 minutes. After they've been cooled, remove each madeleine and line them up in a tray. Once you're ready to serve, dust 1 tablespoon of confectioner sugar over the madeleines. These can keep well in an airtight container for 3 to 4 days or up to 2 months in the freezer. All right, well, all that hard work finally paid off because look how many beautiful madeleines we've made. I think we deserve to try one, right? Well, as you can see, it's crunchy on the outside and it's very soft and moist on the inside. I can't wait to take a bite. It's so good. And just in time, it's for my midday coffee, so this will pair really nicely with my coffee. Let me try it. It's absolutely delicious and super gorgeous. Joshua, do you want to try some? Yeah, come here. Here you go. Do you want one? Let me know what you think. Everybody was. Is it really good?
It's so very good.
Well, at least one person likes it. Well, I hope you enjoyed our video today. Please let me know what you thought about the video in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.